Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Carex hospital bed table and overbed table, a versatile and adjustable piece perfect for your home or healthcare needs. This overbed table is designed with convenience in mind, requiring only light pressure to raise and minimal force to lower, making it ideal for use as a laptop table, rolling desk, or bed tray for enjoying breakfast in bed. Just like a hospital bed table, it features lockable wheels and swiveling caster wheels, allowing it to glide effortlessly into place, whether you're using it as a computer table for your couch or a stand-up rolling desk for your laptop. With the ability to hold up to 50 pounds, this durable table is perfect for bedridden patients, those working from home, or anyone who enjoys the comfort of their bed or sofa. The height adjustable feature ranges from 29.5 to 43 inches, making it suitable for various uses, including a TV dinner table with a spillproof ledge to protect your floors. Whether you're sick in bed or simply want a convenient workspace, this rolling bedside table offers the perfect solution for your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.